Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Now let's go to the reading section. Reading 1, table completion. Before starting the reading section as a warmer, look at the starting off section again. I will ask you a question. Try to answer it. Scientists have studied the cities in starting off. They have found that one of the cities is the friendliest city in the world. Which one do you think it is and why? You can answer this question like this. For example, I think Dubai is the friendliest city in the world because... Now you give me the reasons. Okay, now let's go to the reading section, part 1. Work in pairs. You are going to read the passage about cities around the world. Before you read, decide if these are good or bad aspects of cities. Write G, good, or B, bad. First, let me read the phrases. Friendly inhabitants. Friendly inhabitants. Fast public transport. Fast public transport. Crowded streets. Crowded streets. A high crime rate. A high crime rate. People in a hurry. People in a hurry. A relaxed lifestyle. A relaxed lifestyle. Okay, number 1, friendly inhabitants. Do you know the meaning of inhabitants? It means the people who live in a particular place, the citizens. So that's good. Friendly inhabitants is good. Number 2, fast public transport. Fast public transport. It's good. Crowded streets. What do you think? Crowded streets? That's bad. A high crime rate is bad. People in a hurry, bad. And a relaxed lifestyle is good. Now you tell me, which are aspects of your hometown or city? You may say, people in my hometown or city are always in a hurry, or the streets are crowded. Okay, now try to answer this question. Which are aspects of your hometown or city? All right, now let's go to the next exercise. Exercise 3. Read the passage on page 9 quickly and answer these 2 questions. Which 4 cities are mentioned? And which is the friendliest? This is a scanning exercise. Scanning is moving your eyes over the passage to locate a particular word or phrase that you may then need to read around more carefully. Let me tell you a couple of points. Point 1. It is easier to scan for names of people or places because they start with a capital letter and usually stand out on the page. One of the things you will have to do in the IELTS test is read very quickly to find where answers are located. And at the same time, you will need to be able to pick out the key ideas in questions. These ideas tell you what information you need to find. Now, before you read, can you tell me the key idea in each question? Okay, question 1. The key idea is 4 cities. 4 cities is the key idea. And in the second question, friendliest. Friendliest is the key idea. Also, you should not try to read the whole passage carefully or try to understand everything. You should pass your eyes over the passage till you recognize the names of the cities. Then underline them, and finally read what is said about each city more carefully to answer question 2. Now you have 2 minutes to answer these questions. Now let's check the answers. Question 1. Which 4 cities are mentioned? The 4 cities are Rio de Janeiro, Lilongwe, Amsterdam, and New York. And the second question, which is the friendliest? And the answer is Rio de Janeiro. Now let's go to exercise 4. Read the passage quickly again. Which of the good and bad aspects in exercise 1 are mentioned? Okay, this is another scanning exercise, but this time it is a little harder as you're scanning for phrases. Look at the good and bad aspects in exercise 1 again before you start reading. By the way, you won't find the exact phrases in the passage, but phrases which mean the same. You have 2 minutes to scan the passage. Okay, start. Okay, now let's check the answers. Which of the good and bad aspects in exercise 1 are mentioned? The first one is friendly inhabitants. The second one is a high crime rate. The third one is a relaxed lifestyle. And the last one is people in a hurry.